Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an extra strength hair oil for intense hair growth. If you are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So one of the ingredients that you're going to need for this DIY hair oil is going to be beetroot powder. I have half a cup. Beetroot powder is extremely effective for hair growth. The nutrients present in beetroot powder is protein, vitamins A, B, and C, and also calcium, which helps to ensure healthy growth of the hair. Also, beetroot powder helps to tighten up the pores of the scalp and reduce hair fall. And the second ingredient is going to be a 1/4 cup of coffee grounds. And when it comes to coffee, the caffeine in coffee can help stimulate hair growth and stop hair loss. One study found that caffeine helped to block the effects of DHT in hair follicles. It also helps to improve blood circulation that helps to transfer nutrients to the hair roots. And as a result, your hair grows faster and becomes thicker. And the third ingredient is going to be a 1.5 cups of olive oil. You can use any carrier oil that you would like. I'm just going to go ahead and place all the ingredients into a mason jar. So now I'm just going to place the mason jar into a pot of boiling water. I have my stove set in between medium to low heat. If you choose not to do this method, you can also use a crock pot, or if you don't want to use heat at all, you can place the mason jar into a cabinet and you can leave the oil in the cabinet for about 2 weeks. After 2.5 hours, I removed the mason jar from the heat and I allowed the oil to cool down. And now I'm just going to strain the oil using a cheesecloth. With this oil, you can use it as a hot oil treatment, a scalp oil, and you can also add a few tablespoons of it into your favorite deep conditioner. As a scalp oil, you can use this oil daily or at least 2 to 3 times a week. Make sure you apply it to your roots and massage it into your scalp. Also, you can add your favorite essential oils to the oil as well. The hot oil treatment, apply it from root to ends. Let it sit for about 30 minutes and then wash out with your favorite shampoo. Also, you can use this oil as an overnight treatment. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.